Hey ladies, and welcome to your first Flex Wednesday. The purpose of Flex Wednesday is to allow you to work on a little bit of curriculum while not having a structured class, and everything will basically be asynchronous. There will be office hours, so make sure you take advantage of those if you have any questions to anything you're supposed to do. For today, we're going to talk about inference and observation. Part of the scientific method, a large part of it is observations and what you can see. Off of observations, you can then make inferences, and then off of the inference, you can make a scientific hypothesis. So, I want to have a baseline understanding of what an observation and inference is. Observation is what you can see, what you can definitively identify. So in this picture here, you can definitively see an adult female giving a high five to a younger child. Another thing that you can see is another child at a table writing things down. Things that you can infer off of this would be, you can infer this as probably a classroom, right? Because it looks like they're sitting at a table, and it looks like potentially the lady in the pink is a teacher giving praise to the girl in the red. You can potentially infer that they're working in small groups if they're in a classroom, because you have some kids in the back laying down and you have the teacher working in the small group with the other two girls. So essentially, an observation, what you can see, is the lady in the pink shirt. An inference is what you can assume or conclude off of that she's a teacher, that she's providing praise because of the way they look. What I want you to do as your assignment, and I'll push out a document on OneNote that will help format it for you, is find 3 different pictures. You can go around your house and take pictures. You can use some pictures that you already have. You can even Google one. I want 2 original and 1 unoriginal if you decide to Google it. But provide me 3 different pictures, and then I want 2 inferences and 2 observations for each. So essentially, you're going to give me a total of 3 pictures, a total of 6 observations, and a total of 6 inferences based on the image. I'll take a look at those tomorrow morning, and then we'll be able to start class and discuss observation and inferences right off the bat, and be able to learn a little bit more about the scientific method.